Hi everyone, welcome to TunesKit channel. Need to erase your iPhone but forgot the Apple ID password? In this video, I'll show you 3 effective methods to factory reset your iPhone without Apple ID password. Method 1, use recovery mode. This is the most common method. Connect your iPhone to a computer and open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the recovery screen appears. Once detected by Finder or iTunes, a pop-up will appear. Select Restore. The software will download and reinstall iOS, erasing all data and settings from your device. Method 2, reset the password directly on the phone. If you are logged into the iPhone and know your lock screen passcode, you can reset your Apple ID password directly from the device settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content and settings and click Continue. Enter your screen passcode. You can choose to finish uploading data to iCloud then erase, or erase now. When prompted for the Apple ID password, tap Forgot Passcode. Enter your screen passcode again to safely create a brand new Apple ID password. Use that new password to turn off Find My and safely wipe your device. Method 3, use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. You can also use a professional third-party tool like TunesKit iPhone Unlocker to erase your iPhone. Download and launch the software on your computer. Connect your iPhone using a USB cable. Select the Unlock iOS screen mode. Click Start. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Then download the firmware package. Once the download is complete, click Unlock to erase the device. Wait for a few minutes and don't disconnect your devices. Once finished, your iPhone will restart. Additionally, if you see iPhone lock to owner screen after the factory reset, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker can also help remove iCloud activation lock. Just choose Remove iCloud Activation Lock and follow the guide to finish the process. But note this function only supports iPhone 6 to iPhone 10 models currently. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.